Hey guys, it's E with Scrapbooking with me. I won't be doing a regular tutorial today because we have had lots of storms and thunder and lightning, and now my power always waits till it kind of goes over and then it decides it wants to go off. So my power is now flickering, so I'm not going to try to do a video, but I was going to do this real quick one on my phone. Brandon has put together some just jumbo kits. I don't remember. I think he called them something else. But I'm just going to say they're jumbo kits because they're very, very heavy. And it's things that we had left over from when we did the, see how thick it is? From when we did the Memorial Day kits. So all this is just like the leftover that we had. Instead of doing more of those, we just put everything together, and there is tons of stuff in here. It weighs 56 ounces, so that's what, 5 pounds, maybe 4 pounds? No, it's a little bit over 4 pounds, almost 5 pounds. So I think all of them are about the same as in weight. Now there's not going to be any two of them that's going to be the same. They're all going to have paper in them. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. I want that right there. That's got all kinds of stuff in it. And they're numbered, so I'll put them up number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 of them. But it's going to be a lot of miscellaneous, just good stuff. There's some sari silk in here. All kinds of good stuff. And then here is number 3. You see how thick they are with paper, all kinds of paper and goodies. There's number 3, and that's 66 ounces. That's a little bit heavier than that one. Ooh, and I see some stamps in there and all kinds of goodies. There's some sari silk in 2 different colors. Sorry, there is a glare on here, but I'm just trying to film it real quick. And then this one is number 4, and you can see how thick this is. I mean, this is thick. Oh, and look in the back. He put all kinds of little goodies in the back, didn't he? So that's number 4. And then this one is number 5. And it has got, ooh, see if I can pick it up. It has got all kinds of goodies in it too. Papers. There's no little surprises in the back, but I bet there's some surprises on the inside here. Look at that. I mean, it's just tons of goodies. There's sari silk again in 2 different colors. There's more ribbon. There's twine. There's those little paper bags that we make the little journals out of. I think all of them have got a few of those in it. But I'll have these up tomorrow. If nothing happens, I'll have them up tomorrow in the store. We're going to sell them really cheap just so that we can move this product. We've got more new product coming in, and we just want to kind of get this out of our way. I also wanted to show you these. These are the Cricut cartridges that Melina has. She's got 3. We've got 3 different tubs, I guess you could call it, of these. And it's got all the cartridges in it, and then it's got the books. And I know some people don't use this Cricut anymore. They do the new one, and it goes online. But there may still be a lot of people out there that use this one. And if you do, then we're going to offer a good deal on these. Now, I'm not going to sell them individually because that would take me forever and a day to list them. So I'll be selling like, 1, 2, and 3. And they've each got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 cartridges, and then the 16 books that match them. And then you get the case too. So there's that one. And then there is the other one. Okay, and they also have the overlay. You can see the overlay in that right there. They also have the overlay. So those will be going up hopefully tomorrow. I'll get those up too. I'm trying my best. Then I also wanted to tell you that I will be putting up some fabric bundles. They'll be up. They won't be up tomorrow because I've got too many things going on tomorrow, but hopefully I'll be able to get them up later on in the week. Not just these 2, but there's lots of different fabrics that I've got, and I'll be putting up some fabric bundles with those. So they'll be up later in the week too. So do I have anything else I need to tell you? I don't think so. I think that was it. Mainly I wanted to show you these kits and let you know that those will be going up in the store tomorrow. I'll try to get these up tomorrow. If not, they'll go up the next day. But there's lots of good cartridges in here. And then these two will go with them. I don't know if, I know this one's not in there, but these two will go with them. So, but that's it. I just wanted to tell you that. We'll talk to you guys later. I will be doing 2 videos tomorrow because I've got Rach and Bella Crafts that I need to get my video up for her for the collab, and then I need to do another video for myself. So hopefully I'll be able to get 2 up tomorrow. We'll talk to you guys later. Hope it's not storming where you are. Bye-bye.